This is a relaxed fragrance that would suit days where you are not looking to wear something too intense. While there are obvious woody elements in the composition, it is more refreshing than the typical rich and warmth of a woody scent. Woody 11 composition begins with this lovely sight. Large, vivid yellow blooms of this orchid exudes a soft and sweet fragrance, distinctly displaying its elegance. With our fragrances imbued with the aromas of therapeutic orchids, they assist in easing stress and frustrations while evoking feelings of wellness. Let's learn more about these orchids. A beautiful reddish-pink hue spread across the petals of this therapeutic orchid, capturing its beauty with its unique appearance. In Thailand, this plant is used to treat liver dysfunction. This orchid is amazing and unbelievable. It was one of the 3 orchids that reappeared in Krakatoa, Indonesia after the massive volcanic eruption in 1883. Not only is it extremely beautiful in appearance, the plant also possesses an abundance of medicinal values and is used extensively in folk medicines. It tastes bitter and contains anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. In India, the stems are scraped and applied to heal cracks on skin, while in China, a decoction is consumed for pain relief, treatment of bruises, abdominal pain, mental illness, bleeding, and many more. It even contains an important anti-tumor activity. To intensify the complexity of this fragrance, additional scent accords such as violet, pine, balsam, bergamot, sandalwood, and lotus are added. Violet's flowers grow in clusters, dotting the fields with its dreamy, beautiful blooms along with its delicate scent drifting through the air. These flowers have an elusive and delicate scent that is both florally sweet and powdery, yet with airy and dewy nuances. Deep, rich, and alluring, it inevitably adds a greater depth and complexity to the fragrance. Violets have been used in folk medicines for therapeutic purposes, allowing its soothing scent to work its wonders. It can alleviate stress and exhaustion, treat insomnia, and even offer respiratory relief due to its decongestant properties. Lotus, on the other hand, has an airy, green, and fruity-like sweetness. It brings a lively introduction to the fragrance and blends extremely well with other scent notes. Rich with antioxidants, it has good reversing effects on aging and dull skins. On top of that, it has calming, soothing, and mood-elevating qualities, making them great mental relaxants. And there you have it. This highly enchanting fragrance strikes a perfect balance between soft woody notes and sweet floral hues while still exuding a distinctly refined and masculine aroma.